Finally after walk, the car is packed, ready to leave on the road trip, heading straight to the campsite. Is sushi a road trip snack? Because now it is. Those people there have converted bus into a mini house. How cool is that? There's some other campers there. It's only 300 meters to the river, so I decided to take a walk. The evening is a bit nicer, so there's no rain. But supposed to drop down to 5 degrees Celsius tonight. Fog in the morning, and then some warmer days and nights ahead. Really feels like a beach here. Such a nice evening. From here it looks so crazy wide. Oh, it's so beautiful. Here's my not so fancy dinner wrap. Well, everything tastes better when you're camping. Okay, good night. Well, good morning. I'm still waiting for the sun to come up here. It's so cold and there's humidity. One of the reasons why I came to this small town was this wall mural. It's so beautiful. The other one, oh, maybe some sights, and an oak tree alley that's about 2 kilometers long. This is a water level managing station, and I cannot believe the water had gone up so high in 2010. At this point, check out the 1958 though, I would be underwater by then. I've been doing all this research and until now I didn't know. There's a narrow gauge railway station with actual train left here. It's one of those wow moments when you're actually on site and discover something.
Man reikia lauvos, o man turi būti visada visur šviesa.
Unexpectedly became part of some kind of project and I had to feature in the pictures. What? I wasn't ready to get filmed and photographed myself. But yeah, I like the adventures like this. Just out of nowhere, you just meet some photographers on the way and then bam, you're in the photos. Not me disappointed by the famous Rambinas hill views. Seem better. Seriously? Okay. Well, it is steep. I have to agree with that. But that's about it. Basically, what I've been doing for the past hour, just drive to the scenic spot, go see it, take pictures, go back, drive to another spot, visit the exploring. Now we're going to Hillfort called India. Dangerous uphill. Let's go check it out. This is the view from the India Hillfort. I see a hanging bridge over there. Nope. Can't wait to climb that steep hill back. Oh yeah. Step. Out your head. Stretch your legs and go back. Oh, nice view. Oh my god, I made it back. Still another 1 or 2 stops before I get to the campsite. How's my top doing? Still wet. Oh my god. I've been drying it all day until I get to the campsite, I guess. So it was like 1 week after waiting and then paying so much And now it's broken again. Guess whose mood is ruined. Why? Is this my luck? Why? I had so many ideas and plans, but whatever. Now I'm just a wannabe YouTuber with shitty filming and editing skills. So you have to bear with me. Decided this is the last sight of the day. At some point I'm just full of views, as exciting as they be. Just want to take a rest and just, get everything through your mind, especially with this camera breaking. The best views in Southern India. Yeah, no cooking, just some cheap sushi salad, just something to eat. I know. Today's road. Look at all the hiking and bike routes. There's so much to do, so much to see. Okay, good night. Let's see how cold it is tonight. The fact that it's Monday and I'm in my car but not on my way to work, it's epic. Doesn't really happen often. Kinda wish I could sleep more. Okay. Clean up this mess. Food, coffee, and go towards home. Look at this fine morning. It was cold at night again. All packed up and clean. Ate, had coffee. Only one more other camper remains here. Probably going to visit the toilet again and be on my way as well. This is a family artist outdoor gallery and you can visit it any time of the day. So let's go see. First we have a bus. There's a path. Yeah, I'll just go straight whenever I see something interesting. The Kelmė Manor itself is under construction, but I still managed to get magnets somehow. Hey! This says stay in the forest or spend time in the forest, so I will. Let's take a little walk around here. That one is nope. This is the Tytuvėnai church and monastery. It's closed, but you can still walk around here, I guess. Well, I climbed to Tytuvėnai observation tower to look at farmer fields and some more nature over there. Okay, let's do it. So we can see the Shiluva church over there. That's probably where we're going next. So tired. Our next destination is very exciting. Lyduvėnai Bridge is the longest and the tallest railway bridge. Now it's open for tourists. Yeah. Oh, I wish a train would pass right now. That would be cool. Oh, hello there. Do you know when the train is coming? This whole field should be in bloom. I suppose I arrived here too early. That looks like a campsite? Or maybe private. I don't see any roads. Yeah, too bad. I came here too early. Which means it's time to be heading back home now. Made a full circle and came back where I started. The campsite is nearby. The Panemunė Regional Park. Just decided to take a little break here. And where's the swings? Oh yeah, go on the swings.